Do you have this problem when you open up the doors but the lights don't come on? Or when you close the doors and that warning light indicator just stays on? Well, the problem is most likely the door sensor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door sensors on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35. The only tool you need is this Phillips head screwdriver, and we just need to take off that one screw. I'm going to show you the process on the rear door first, and then we'll do the front door. Now, when you're taking off the screw, the one thing to keep in mind is that this screw has probably never been taken off before. So it's probably stuck on. And if that's the case, what you need to do is press the screwdriver into the screw first and then twist, right? Just press it down first and then twist. That just makes the job easier. So once you get the screw out, make sure you don't lose it. Keep it somewhere safe, right? Now we get the door sensor out, and there's an electrical connector over there. In order to get the connector off, we just need to squeeze it like I'm doing over here. Just squeeze it, pull the sensor off, and that's pretty much it. See how easy that was? Let's go ahead now and get a replacement sensor. We need to align the sensor over there with the electrical connector. And the good thing about the rear door sensor is the wire is long enough so we can do that easily, right? Let's just put that back in there now. And let's go ahead and get the screw. Put the screw back on, tighten it, and then you're done. Now let's repeat the process for the front door. That's the sensor right there for the front door. Again, same thing. Get the screwdriver and get the screw off. You may have to wiggle the sensor if it doesn't come off. Again, same process. Just press the electrical connector there and the sensor comes right out. And this is the tricky part when it comes to the front sensor. You want to make sure that you position the electrical connector just the way I'm doing it. You want to support the electrical connector with the body frame and then press the sensor on. That just makes the job much easier. Otherwise, you'll be spending the next 5 minutes trying to figure out how to clip the sensor on the electrical connector. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you do that, you can put the sensor back on, get the screw, tighten it, and that is pretty much it. See how easy that was?